Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. In today's video, I am going to show you guys some new things that I have in my Etsy and my Kofi shop. So a little product drop right here. So these are digital downloads. So let me get started. So some of you guys might already saw I have this saving challenge here. Sorry, I had cut these out already. So this is a year of mini savings. It will come with an A5 and an A6 dashboard. So this challenge saves a total of $780. So what I just have these little minis here. So for the whole year, so you have January through June, so $1 for January, so you will just save that amount and so forth. So 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then you have July through December. So yeah, so nice little mini savings for each month of the year. So you can start now, or you can start this next year. It doesn't matter. So yeah, that is $780. Next I have, this is you save 2026 and 2026. Yes, Gems, I am getting saving challenges ready for 2026. So if you want to get a head start, yeah. So this is the game here, or saving challenge. And what I thought would be nice is if you have a color dice, or if you have, let me see here. These are the chips from Chip Away. So if you had colored chips, what you can do is you either can roll one of these color dies. So this is pink, and pink is here. And you can either just pick one to save that's in your budget, or you can roll a 20-sided die, and that says 15, and you can just save the 15 here, or save an amount that equals 15. The possibilities are endless. It's up to you, up to your budget. And like I said, you can use some colored chips, like I got here from Chip Away. And if I pull a yellow, I can just pick that amount from yellow. You don't have to do it that way, but I just thought, like, hey, that'd be something cool and different. So like purple, this is yellow, purple, red, green, blue, and pink. And I double-checked, triple-checked. This will save you $2,026 for 2026. And like I said, you will get this dashboard for the A5 and the A6. So that is in my Etsy and in my Kofi. And oh my goodness, Gems, I have been working on this. I cannot wait to show you guys. Let me move everything out the way. All right. Gems, do you see this? Okay, so I was going back and forth of offering this as a book, but I have to be real myself. I don't have a lot of time to like package and ship items, so I made this into a digital download. This is my first saving challenge book. It says, "Welcome 2026. Cheers to a new year and another chance for us to get it right." And that was quoted from Oprah Winfrey. And so the digital download will consist of these pages. And once you download it, you can absolutely, what I did was sent this right to like a Office Depot, Office Max. You can get it printed there, and you can get it bound. And are you guys ready? I'm so excited. Hold on, I gotta open it full. Hold on. So what this is, the first page here, this is a page here that just said 2026. And what you can do is you can save $20 and $26, or you can just save $2, or you can add the 6 and the 2 together to equals $8. It's up to you. You can do it your way. It's your budget. So that's why I just left it open, so you can do it however you want to do it. This page, so in January, this says $90. So what you just do is just say that amount. You can put some scratch off stickers on here if you feel like. It's up to you. The next page here is February, and February is a nice little game board, and what you do is just move around the game board and save that amount. If you land on an icon, which is the bow here, the groundhog, the cupcake, the bears, and the chocolate, you can determine if you want to save an extra $1, $2, 50 cents. It's up to you. So that's a game board for February. March is a nice little roll and save, so you can roll any dice that you want and save that amount. Then you have April here, and April says $245, and you just save whatever amount here that you want. May here is one of those intersecting games. So what you do is you just roll 2 dice and say that is 5 and that is 4, and amount that is a butterfly. And I left this open for you to put how much you want each icon to be, because like I said, this is your budget. I wanted to be very flexible for everyone. So if I say butterflies are $1, that butterfly would be, I would say, $1. And same with this one for April. I think the highest is $8 on here. Yes, so amounts 1 through 8. So literally you can roll a 6-sided die, that's $1, to save that $1 there. Or you can roll a 8-sided die and say like that's a 3, you just save a 3. It's up to you. And you don't have to go for each month, like stay with January, you can skip around. It's up to you. June, we have hit the nail on the head, aka shut the box. So this is a nice little shut the box game. Everyone should know how to play that. This one is Hello July, and this one is, it says $65, and you can just you can put scratch off stickers on here if you want, or you can just it's 1 through 10. So you can just roll a die and save that amount. Then we have August here. Can you guys see? I hope you can see. Yes. So August is Planko, and I'm just going to demonstrate just in case someone not sure how to play. So I'm just going to grab one of these chips here. And what you do is you roll a die. So I have 5. So I will start with 5 here. And just move along along the game. So each row, so that's a 4. This is a 1 and another 1, and then I would say $12. If $12 is too much for you, you can add 1 and 2 and just save 3. So that's kind of that game there. Next we have September, and September is a nice little cute game. I think this is like one of my favorites. This says $126, and of course you can just go around here and just say whatever amount fits your budget. And I try to make like each one 1 through 6. So if you just want to roll, like start here, and you can roll a 6-sided die, so that'd be 3, and then that'd be 4, and then if it's 4 again, you can do 3 and 1. So something like that. All right, next we have October, and October is a nice little Tetris game that you can play. The amounts are 1 through 6, and you just, I think everyone know how to play Tetris, but that's just a game for October. And November is which cute pumpkin will win. So a little like pumpkin game. So what you do is just roll your 6-sided die, and that's 5, and you just color in 5, say that amount, and then here are the pumpkins to see which cute pumpkin will win. All right. And then we have December, and December is Wipeout. So Wipeout is just a cute little game that what you do is you roll your starter number. My starter number will be 3, and then you just continue to roll all the way down, and then you put down what it is, and see I got a 3 again. I will wipe out all the previous numbers, and then you would just add up and save that amount at the end. And like I said, if the number's too big for you, just add them up, boom. Or you can put, like, if you have 5 boxes left, just say $5. So something like that. I try to keep everything like open for everyone's budget. So here on this page, I put each month of the year. So you can actually put how much you save, or you can put what are you saving for. So say in January, January was how much money? $90. So I could put $90 here, and January is my birthday month. So I could put $90 and put it for my birthday. So something like that. And then you can put your overall total, how much you save for the year right there. And then the last page says, it always seems impossible until it's done. And I absolutely agree with that. So yes, gems, that is my welcome to 2026 saving challenge book. And like I said, it's going to be a digital download. You won't get a physical book, but feel free to get the book printed at a, I don't know, like I said, at a like Office Depot, Office Max, some kind of office store, and see if they bound it for you. Like I got it bound. And yeah, or you can print it and put some rings on it and make your own little book, make a little DIY, you know, because you know what we do, saving coins. So gems, yes. So that would be, that is some of the 2026 things that is in my Kofi and in my Etsy shop. And if this is not in my Kofi shop, by the time I put this video out, it will be soon, but it definitely will be in my Etsy shop. So thank you, everyone, for your love and support. And if you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember, gems, to stay magical. Bye, gems.